Hey guys, this is Fatime and I'm back with another N with an E. So let's go.
She's a real interesting kind of person.
What's the meaning of kind? It means generous, helpful, like Bella. You're so kind. But you can use it in another way too, like a group with shared features or a particular type. Bella, no offense, but I need to say the example. Bella is a kind of boring person.
She's a real interesting kind of person. She could be company for you.
I'm not suffering for company.
Company? Yeah, company. Company is an organization that sells goods or services in order to make money, but it has another different meaning too. The fact or condition of being with a person or people. But if you're okay with being alone, you can say,
I'm not suffering for company. I'm not suffering for company.
I was making believe that I was a beautiful princess and that this was my sacred chamber, high in a tall stone spire.
Never mind your chatter.
Sorry.
yeah, she's talkative, right? Never mind means forget it. But forget what? Your chatter. When someone is talkative and you want to ask them to be quiet, you can say,
Never mind your chatter.
Sorry. It's not so easy when you're actually woeful, is
Oh,
it?
for pity's sake, hold your tongue. You talk entirely too much.
Yes, ma'am.
do you remember?
For heaven's sake, child, what are you doing on the ground? Now you listen here and stand up.
For heaven's sake, or for God's sake, is used to show that you're annoyed or angry. And this is the same. For pity's sake.
Oh, for pity's sake, hold your tongue.
Instead of saying be quiet, you can say,
Hold your tongue. Hold your tongue.
see how much you can learn from movies? If you want me to continue this way, make sure to tell me in the comment section.